Hello, let's go ahead and unbox this garden stool, compliments of DEERFAMY. Oh good, instructions. Perfect for kneeling. One sec, let me get a hammer. Lightweight but sturdy. Pockets for some tools. Another one. Pretty sturdy. So to transition to the kneeling position, just flip it, and then there's a little added squish for you. Works great. Unlock the legs by squeezing the spring handle out from the locking position. Oh, just pinch it, flip it, pinch it, flip it. Pretty handy. Nice and slim to store. And it locks back into place for seating. So this little pouch on the side is perfect for holding all my little tools. These gloves also come with the gardening stool. Holds my mealybug spray, my little succulent turkey baster, my shears, my little tweezers for getting dead leaves, my brushes for cleaning off succulent leaves, my little shovel, cleaning out my little bottles, and this is great for making little holes in the soil. So it's great. Have all my tools nearby. There you go.